You first of all open your Excel sheet and then go to file at the top of your screen. Then you scroll down and you go to print. In print, you need to confirm that your data has been printed clearly, because if some of the data is missing, let's say my serial number is not completely visible and some of my description as well is not clearly visible. So I'll go back to Excel sheet and then I'll increase the size of the cells that I want to be more clearly visible in my PDF file in the description as well, and I'll decrease the size of the cells that are not required to be too large. Let's suppose height and length, so I'll decrease the size of them. Then I'll follow again the file, I'll go to print, and then I'll again confirm it if everything is visible. Now you can see serial number, everything is visible to me. So I'll press print. I'll save the name of that file on my desktop or as required. And that's how I did it. Thank you so much for watching the video and subscribe for more short videos like this.